Alright guys, today final day giveaway right here, JW Solar USA. Well, not gonna have too much time elaborating on this, but we have come to the complete 1 month, the month of March giveaway. And what I have today to give away is something useful for off-grider, for emergency purpose, for anything you want to use it for. So let's check this out. Subscribe and like the video. Well, this is a surprising giveaway today. Not something big, but something important. Back here at JW Solar USA, we have a Decoder or Dakota 7 inches portable digital television and a photo frame. You can use this to do photos, a slideshow, a remote control, and guys, you can see it's a small machine but it's really powerful. You watch all your favorite TV programs and TV shows anytime, anywhere. 7 inches TFT LCD display. It's a sleek portable design with a digital tuner for great image and quality and sound. You know, you can just plug it. It has a rechargeable battery built into this device here, and guys, you can charge it for after a while. Then you can able to go around, like maybe go to the game. You want to watch what the game is doing, like baseball or football. You can bring this TV in there and tune live what they're broadcasting and see exactly what they're saying, the commentary on a game. Or you can use this as a display USB SD card. You can plug in and take your photos and do your slideshow just like a picture frame. That's what exactly it is. And you can use this on an emergency case when you have a problem. There's a power failure and you have a lithium battery embedded into this device, and you can able to watch television and know what emergency crisis or whatever, hurricane or any flooding, any disaster might happen. You can able to utilize this guy to get your digital feed or analog. It's both analog digital, and you can able to get all information updated on what's going on. So these are all the functionalities on this device here. You can see, you can read everything by yourself, and you can even use the AV mode, audio video. You can use this for a display, like if you have a camera system in your cabin and everything, just want something slick, and you can connect the input of your DVR, which is for your cameras. You're gonna use this as a display. So it's a multi-functionable device right here. So it's good people living in a van, people living on the RV, people on the go, for kids and all that. It doesn't mean little things like this always portable for kids. No, not just for kids. There's a lot of things you can do. See? So check this out. It's a 16:9 resolution. It has a ATSC. It's an NTSC tuner on this one for digital broadcast. It has a closed caption. It has an AC cable. You can able to plug this thing and watch. If the video, if you're watching at the same time, it comes with the adapter, antenna, remote control, AV cable, AC DC adapter. It's supposed to be with the earbuds phones on this one. So you can able to take this one and do anything, or in a time of crisis, you can able to utilize it. For something like this, I have a portable generator. Then you can able to build a 12-volt plug-in adapter into this device while using free use free energy to charge this device as you go, or you can use for small spaces, places that you don't need a TV, or places that you use a little external monitor to do whatever you're doing. You can throw that image to that display right there. Okay, and just don't want to talk too much about it. I want you guys to go and explore it. Make sure you make a video and send it and trying to share with me on WhatsApp. Whosoever be the winner, and I want you to share a video with me and go about it and see how everything goes, and we can able to put it into the channel while everybody has been putting their stuff. All right, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the drawing, which we're going to be doing right now. And love you guys. Bye for now. All right, it's another special day here today, the last but not the least, 5th Sunday of March. Today is March 31st. Here we go with our drawing here. All I have today is 4 contestants right here on my list. You can see the lucky wheel is already programmed, and you guys can see final drawing for the month of March 31st. Earl Kane, he has been trying ever since I started this. And Eric Coleman, he has been here. It's really interesting because we have Earl Kane has already been in this drawing 4 times, and Eric Coleman has already been here, and Eric is about 3 times on this drawing. And now we're gonna go off-grid living St. Lucia. Off-grid living St. Lucia is 4 times on this drawing, so I don't know who's gonna be winning this prize today. But anyway, guys, this is gonna be interesting. Then I have Keith McMahon. So if I pronounce this wrong, so do please forgive me. It's not easy to pronounce people's names, and you have to be careful how you pronounce them, because some people are really they take things really serious when it comes to their names. So how only Keith is new here, but these guys have been here over and over. 4 times older, 3 times, and 4 times here. So let's see who's gonna win this beautiful prize here today as we go. And I have the 4 numbers right there. Let's take a look and see how everything's gonna go. The wheel is up. Here we go. Well, we want to congratulate Off-Grid Living St. Lucia. He's number 3. He got this prize. But let's see how Off-Grid Living St. Lucia, if he doesn't want it, he's going to go to the second contestant here. So I have to draw 2 more times and see if Off-Grid doesn't want it. Off-Grid Living St. Lucia is going to pass it to somebody else, and somebody else will want it, going to pass it to another person. Keep going to the Off-Grid Living St. Lucia for the second time. So I don't think we have to draw for the, okay, we still have to do it, because if he still doesn't want it, then we have someone else we're going to pass it to. And let's see. Well, I think dream comes true here. And let's see. For the 3rd round. Well, finally, it seems like off-grid living St. Lucia doesn't want it. It's gonna go to Mr. Keith. He's one of our new guys just joined us. And Keith, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and make it a home. This is JW Solar USA. And check out my channel and make sure you go through all videos there you find interesting and maybe helpful. And enjoy and be safe. So this is how everything goes now. This is like on opposed to off-grid living St. Lucia. This is, I think, your time has finally come. But I want to make sure I congratulate everyone that really participated and into this drawing. 5 weeks of drawing. You know, I can't be happier. I can't be thankful for you guys taking the initiative to do this. A lot of people try. Some people come for fun and just they don't want to do it anymore, or they walk away. But the people that stuck around or stick around and make this one all the way to the final. And off-grid living St. Lucia just missed 1 week of drawing, which he didn't participated. But I want to congratulate Arrow Kane because he has been there 4 times, off-grid living 4 times. So guys, I want to thank you guys, and for all of you guys here, I'm going to show the list of people who participated into this one occasion here. These are all the names, the participants. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you so much for being part of my channel. Don't feel you get left out, because there are another stuff going to be coming in the future. This is the last list. I'm going to post it here. It's up here. This is the last list. Oh, I have to mark it. Okay, so it's already highlighted. Off-grid living St. Lucia won the drawing today, the final drawing. Here is Keith, number 2. If off-grid living St. Lucia don't want it, because I draw 2 times, his name came twice. So off-grid living St. Lucia has the right. What do you want to do with it? If you want to pass it on, doesn't want it, then Keith's gonna be number 3, because I drew the name twice. First and second, all in off-grid living St. Lucia, and third time is gonna be Mr. Keith right there. These are all the people that took part on this drawing. I want to thank you guys so much. If you look at the name, you see how many times Arrow Kane is there. You can look at the names, Eric Coleman. You can look at the names where off-grid living St. Lucia and all the other people that took part. You know, 3,000 watts living, and all of you guys are awesome. John and Amber, you can see them. They tried this year, but no luck. Last year they won. So I want to just thank you guys for everything. So thank you, and stay tuned for more to come live from this channel, JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. Bye for now.